Welcome to Go Legal Yourself podcast, episode 47, title 15 Business Laws Every Entrepreneur Should Know. Welcome to the Go Legal Yourself podcast. This show is about knowing the legal life cycle of your business. I'm your host, Attorney Kelly Bagler, the Queen of Business Law. You can interact with us on social media at Go Legal Yourself, and definitely do find us on the web at golegalyourself.com. At Go Legal Yourself, we look out for your best interest, and one of the most important ways we do that is to bring you knowledge so you can avoid those legal pitfalls and run your business with success. Today, I'm continuing to talk to you about the 15 business laws every entrepreneur should know. Today, I'll be covering 6 through 10. Episode 46, I covered 1 through 5. Again, since it is the new year, you are finally getting ready to turn your business idea into reality, probably. Or you're ready to launch your first business, or second or third. Now is a great time because the economy is roaring, 401ks are going up, people are hiring. That's a great sign. Today, I'm sharing another 5 business laws every entrepreneur should know. So number 6, at-will work doctrine. Now, what do I mean by that? In all states except Montana, there is an at-will work law in place. This means employers can fire an employee at any time for any reason. Likewise, an employee can leave the job at any time for any reason also. However, you must be very careful if you are an employer in California, if you are going to fire an employee. Even though California is an at-will state, California automatically sides with the employee. So you can even let the employee go because there's no work, or they came to work late, or they stole, or they've been dishonest. But somehow, California is probably going to have you defend your decision. So make sure that you really do seek legal advice from a business attorney that can help you navigate and write the proper employee contract. So these issues, if they do come up, they'll be resolved fairly quickly. Number 7, obtain an employer identification number. To file your business taxes, you'll need an employer identification number, also known as an EIN. You can get one of these from the IRS website, and it's completely free of charge. You'll use this number for all business-related transactions. It really does serve as your business's social security number. When you are doing business for a third party, say a larger company, and you are hired as an independent contractor, well, the larger company is going to require you to fill out a W-9. And in that W-9, you do want to make sure you use your company name, not your personal name, and your EIN number, not your social security number. Law number 8, know the taxes you have to pay. That is correct. As a business owner, now you get to pay even more taxes. Yay! But it's not all that bad. Whether your business has a staff of 1 or 100, Uncle Sam says you have to pay certain taxes. Take some time to review the federal tax, Social Security tax, Medicare, and federal unemployment tax requirements as well. The IRS has a breakdown of your tax responsibilities as an owner of a business. You'll also want to talk to an accountant or your CPA about these obligations and figure out a budget to make sure that you are complying with taxes. Because remember, there are 2 things that are certain in life. One is death, the other one is taxes. Taxes will not ever leave you. So please make sure as a business owner, you put away some money to address those taxes because you will be paying taxes. And again, paying taxes really isn't that bad. That means you're actually making money. In addition to the federal taxes, you're likely to pay state taxes as well. So definitely consult with your CPA or you're an accountant and make sure that you do put money away for those taxes. Law number 9, hiring employees. When you plan to bring on an employee, it impacts your taxes. The amount of time an employee works for you will make a difference when it comes to taxes. So research the differences between a W-2 employee and a 1099 contractor before making any hiring decisions. I have spoken about this at length in my past podcast, but the one you must definitely listen to is episode 32. Usually, the threat of a lawsuit will come from within. So make sure you make the right decision in hiring the right person. It's crucial. And law number 10, truth in advertising and marketing. Just as it sounds, this law requires all advertising or marketing to be truthful. In addition, if you make any claims during an advertisement, you must have proof to back it up. You can't even be misleading or unfair. This rule becomes even more specific when you market to children or use endorsements. Make sure you research the law on marketing because we all do it, and what you don't know can really get you in a lot of financial trouble. I hope rules or laws 6 through 10 were insightful to you, and maybe if you weren't aware of these laws that existed, now that you'll become an even more savvy entrepreneur and you'll pick up some literature on these laws and educate yourself, because it is your responsibility as a business owner to make sure that you are legally in compliant. Now, don't forget to download my app from your app stores. You simply go into your app stores, search Go Legal Yourself, and download my app directly. You can call the show and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. When you do download my app, you'll get a free ebook of my bestseller, Go Legal Yourself. That's right, I am a best-selling author. It's a guide for business owners to avoid, again, the legal pitfalls. It is your responsibility. And remember, the only way you become successful is if you make today the day you go legal yourself. I am attorney Kelly Bagler, the Queen of Business Law, and it's been my pleasure being your host today. Until next time, cheers to your success.